So let's talk about the biggest thing that I get all the time. What is the best workout program to lose belly fat? There is no best workout program. There's no best workout program. I've got Lindsay down 65 pounds in less than a year. She's half paralyzed. She can't work out. Hannah's down 45 pounds. She's not working out. I have so many people who are losing weight quickly, getting phenomenal results. It has nothing to do with your guys' workout. So don't think the workout program is what's going to make you guys get results. But let's hone in on this. Let's talk about it. I wouldn't use a fitness tracker, honestly, because unless you want to see your heart rate, all that cool fun stuff, then go for it. But stop trying to burn as many calories as you possibly can when you work out, because you're going to have to make up for those calories. Guess what? You're not even eating enough calories right now, let alone hitting your calorie goal. And if we try and burn even more and more calories, you have to eat more. You're going to keep going backwards. I've had Erin. She dropped 70 pounds from October to, what month are we in? March? February, I think, is when she dropped 70. She actually stopped doing cardio. Am I telling you to stop working out? No. She increased her calories. She brought the activity level down. She's working out, lifting weights. And she's down 70 pounds. Stop trying to burn as many calories as you possibly can, guys. Work out for the benefit of working out. Working out is amazing for you. Bone density, building muscle, resting metabolic rate goes up when you build more lean muscle mass, hormone function, stress levels. There's just so many hormone function. There's so many benefits of working out. Does your workout program make you get toned? No. How you get toned is you get the fat off your muscles so you can see your muscles. I do 0 cardio and 0 ab workouts. Right hand, honestly, I don't do cardio. So don't think that your workout program is what's going to make you get toned. It's not. How you get toned is nutrition. The benefits of working out, that is why I would work out. That is why I have people working out. Cardiovascular, all of that good stuff. All the workout programs are free though. FullertonNutrition.com. You guys are already here, so go take advantage of the free workout programs. But with the calorie calculator, if you were not working out and you ran your calories, now you need to go redo your calories if you just started working out. You have to do that. You need to increase your calorie goal now to feed your body the nutrients that it needs while working out. And you do not need to work out for hours a day. If you guys go get the free workout program, you guys will see that literally I'm in the gym for 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. I'm in the gym for 20 to 30 minutes. There's no reason to be in the gym for an hour a day. If you want to do it, I get it. That's fine. Try doing supersets. Do different things. If your gym's hella busy, I get it. You got to sit on the machine, or you got all the freaking girls, #leg day, sitting on the leg extension, or all the bros hanging around the weights, rubbing baby oil on each other while taking their gym selfies. But other than that, there's no reason to be in the gym for hours and hours a day. You can get an amazing workout in. And it's okay if you're not sore. You don't have to be sore after every single workout a couple days later. Don't think because you didn't sweat, you didn't get a good workout. I honestly, the only day I ever sweat on, sometimes back day, some days, because that's my favorite day, and then leg day. Those are the 2 days that I'm actually only sweating. So it's okay if you don't sweat. Don't go off of the workout program if you're not sweating, if it was good or not. And then let's talk about this one with the weights, because I really want to hone in on this. I get this question a lot too. How do I know how much weight I should be using? I always say this. After the last 2 to 3 reps of your first set, if your muscles weren't burning the last 2 to 3 reps and your form was good, you can increase the weight. Now, if you're doing like 4 sets of 12 and you're on rep 6 on your first set and it's just you can't lift anymore, drop the weight. Drop the weight. Don't really care too much about how much weight you're lifting. Stop ego lifting. No one cares how much weight you lift. It's all about muscle breakdown and forcing all that blood into that muscle. So that's with the workouts. There's great programs. There's great things out there. Stop paying for workout programs, guys. There's so many free workout programs. There's no best workout program for fat loss. Doing abs every single day until you throw up is not going to make you get abs. Y'all have abs. You just got to get the fat off of your abs. And your workout program is not going to do that. It is the nutrition, day in and day out. So with those workouts, remember, how you get toned, it's all nutrition.